Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5101650 or KB5100998. So if you are unable to install these updates, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Now once the update is paused over here, you will see resume updates. Click on resume updates. So click on resume updates now and let the update install and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Now click on OK and then make a right click on background intelligent, click on restart. Now once this is done, find Windows Update in the list. So scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, hit apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Once it's done, now go back to Windows settings. Now over here, if you see retry option, you can hit retry, try to install the update and then check. Still not working, you can run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Now if the scans are stuck, you can follow the next step. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5101650 or this update, whichever update you are unable to install. You can write down the name of the update, then click on search. The link is provided in the video description. Now over here, first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case, the version is 25H2. Check your Windows version and then open Windows settings, go to system and then scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. So for me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download. And then over here click on KB5101650. Click on it, and then once the download is complete, let the download complete. Once it is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually. Once it is complete, restart your PC, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Now over here, go to, if you see retry, you can try retry. Now you can go to, once you select Windows Update, you can go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, log into the computer, restart and log into the computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run the exe file. Run the exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save and let the download complete. Now this process will take some time. Once the download is complete, you can click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds, so maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then try to update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you. to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.